Hi everyone, and thank you very much for watching this short presentation video about the Yetty Terminal. Thank you for your time. I already prepared in this instance some so-called cards, which are one of the most important features of Yetty Terminal. So cards are practically something that can display anything, a document or plot or whatever that is important in your daily workflow. So what we want to do is make the terminal a bit look like a browser, so we can put everything, you can visualize everything, you can interact and so on and so forth. One of the main features is that we use MSTF fonts for rendering, which means like anytime you can zoom in and read the text in a nice shape. So let's say you have a terminal which is rendered with very small fonts. Let's see, I do that right now. You want to watch those magnified. So let's go back a bit. As I said, I printed some of the text files here, so you can see just printing one specific text file with a certain glyphs, Unicode code. You will see different things. We can also display UI elements, plots. So we have a built-in plot system that can plot different kind of mathematical functions or buffers, meaning you can do almost real-time GPU-based visualization of your data. We also built in Python. You can, for instance, we have this fast plotlib to render other kind of plot stuff. We have a powerful system called Hydro, which helps rendering different kind of texts and shapes. So, for instance, here we have a built-in PDF, simple PDF visualization, which is rendered on the GPU. So again, we can zoom in, zoom out. Also, we have a simple markdown card. So this is the markdown of, this is the text of our README MD. Another examples with Hydro text. So you can see here different fonts of different size are rendered. Or just for as a to show the power of this Hydro, we have a iMaze that is changing the state and is rendering to the vertex shader. And also we can have like 15K or bow shapes that are rendered against some plot examples, against some fast plotlib. So that would be pretty much. So for instance, let's have a look into the plot example. So we are just sending, we're calculating some sine waves in the payload, and we're sending it to the card, and the card is rendering. So we can also push live data to the card. So again, if I am running this, oops, it will just plot something. So, and we want to show also, like for instance, the so-called shader glyphs. I can see them also in VI practically, because they are just normal UTF codes from so-called private area. We have built-in animation shader glyphs also. So let me zoom in. So now we are in VI. I'm zooming in like as if it would be a UI-based VI, but it's just a terminal, and I'm zooming, and you can see the different things rendered. So for instance, we have a watch face that is showing real-time watch and all kind of things. Hopefully we will have soon more and more glyphs that, you know, they are nice to see in the logs, and you don't have to write your terminal-based code to produce animation. So I want to show you again the how you can embed UI. So this is you can need internal library Imery, which is built on top of the ImGUI library. So Imery helps. I can show you. It's using a demo assets. Imery simple. So you can build UI using simple YAML and you define data, input data, something called a tree-like, and this tree-like can be, for instance, a remote service or whatever. So you see here the demo data. That would be pretty much. Hopefully you enjoyed and it's inspiring, and hopefully you're going to like it. Hopefully you're going to upvote us to encourage in our work. There's a lot of work done. There's a lot of ambitions like we collected over the years by using the terminal and missing this and that just to have our flow. So for instance, I'm working, I have a PDF, I want to see it, so I want to render it. Oh, I forgot to, let me, just 1 or 2 more minutes, let me show you also how I would just in a normal workflow see a markdown. So we have the iCat tool, which practically is detecting the file type. So for instance, iCat readme.md, this is going to render the markdown in a card. Or I have a PDF here optimizing C++ PDF. Again, simple PDF engine is doing the basic stuff. Don't expect to see all kind of features that PDF viewers provide. And so I showed the markdown, I showed the PDF. What else do we have? The plots. I think that would be pretty much so. Yeah. Thank you very much again for watching and have a nice day. Thumbs up. Bye-bye.